Should you crack your own neck? Heck no. You may have seen people do this, but it's actually one of the worst things you can do for your neck. Due to the prevalence of smartphones, tablets, and office jobs, neck pain is becoming more prevalent in society today. Every once in a while we have a patient that comes into our office with severe neck pain and has started to crack their own neck to try to get them some relief. They do it every day, sometimes several times a day, every waking hour. Now here's a video of someone cracking their neck. Now, why is this a problem? Well, first, chiropractors are highly trained, highly educated professionals that go to school for many years to learn how to adjust. In this graphic, we see that chiropractors have similar education requirements compared to other physicians, such as MDs and osteopaths. Some people think we attend a weekend seminar to become a chiropractor. That just isn't the case. Trust me, I have the student loans to prove otherwise. One thing we learn is when to adjust, but just as important, we learn when not to adjust. Chiropractors cannot see someone every day, and you shouldn't crack your neck every day, because it would create a condition called hypermobility or ligament laxity. Basically, this makes the joints loose and unstable. The body will then add calcium deposits to these joints to add stability. These calcium deposits are basically the start of arthritis. And once it's there, it will never go away. You can only prevent it from getting worse. Now, once I did have a patient that was 19, and she was starting to have arthritis in her neck, visible by x-ray. It does take many years for arthritis to show up on x-ray. She'd also been cracking her neck for about 10 years. Now when you hear that noise in your neck, your body releases endorphins, which makes it feel better temporarily. This creates a habit, and you feel like you have to do it all the time to reduce the pain. Now, when you're adjusted by a chiropractor, we specifically look for the area of instability and adjust that joint only. As you can see in this graphic, many times when people pop their own neck, they pop the wrong joint, and this makes the problem worse. Now, when you're adjusted by a chiropractor, we adjust the proper joint, which results in proper joint function and relief from pain. Now, when the proper joint is adjusted, it will restore normal function of the joint, get rid of your pain, and eliminate the need to keep popping your neck. Chiropractors, we call it adjusting. We never adjust your own neck because we know how bad it is. So if you or someone you know is constantly popping their own neck to try to get them some relief from neck pain, give us a call immediately to schedule a free consultation to see if chiropractic can help.